Guys, it's the next morning in Nako. We are getting ready for the next leg of our journey, that's to Kaza. And this morning time, the cloud cover was pretty thick earlier in the morning, but now it's starting to clear up a bit, but still quite a bit left. And that's the new monastery that was built recently.
That one.
Oh yeah, that one. But the one over there, you may not be able to see it, right there.
The one with the
red building in the back. That's, we were told it's like 1100 years old or something like that, which is pretty impressive. Alright, we'll catch up with you guys later on. Look at the road all the way there. Oh, this is so much fun. We're doing downhill in neutral. Okay, I have to admit, of all the roads we've traveled on this trip, this downhill has definitely got to be my favorite. We are at Gue Monastery. This is the new building that's being constructed, so it's not finished inside, but the actual one, the old one, is right there. And look at the view from the monastery here. Alright. So the significance of this monastery is that there's apparently a mummy here who's supposedly still at least partially alive because its hair and its nails are apparently still growing, to the extent that people here tell us that we should not be using flash when taking pictures of the mummy because it can hurt the mummy's eyes, because apparently they might also be alive, but they're not sure, but just to be safe. Alright, I'll show you what's inside when we get there.
We are on our way to Kaza right now, little before Tabo, and it's drizzling, so we have stopped to change into our rain gear. Rishiji, as usual, has forgotten his rain gear and he has kept it within the layers of layers. I don't know what secret he was hiding in them. So we are gonna be here for a long time now. You have to unpack, take them out, wear them, then again back. So,
I got the point.
But yes, it's always important to be safe. So we decided to wear a proper rain gear and not take chances. So this is where we are. We are at Tabo Monastery. The altitude is 3,270 meters. We are temporarily stuck here because apparently there is a landslide, a massive landslide 7 kilometers ahead. We are waiting for it to clear. Beautiful monastery, beautiful orchards ahead, and a nice quiet town. The scenery is all around. Looks like it's a beautiful monastery in the middle of great western, straight out of Hollywood movies. But anyways,
he had to put in the Hollywood western in there, didn't he?
Yeah.
Here we are in Tabo, and we checked out the monastery. We saw the video earlier, but we've been told that 5 or 6 kilometers from here there's been a landslide last night. Oh, there was a landslide last night, and so the cleanup crew came, and this must be a weird twist of fate, but so the JCB that came to clear the landslide, the rubble, got a flat tire. The other vehicle that came to fix the flat tire from the JCB got a flat tire as well. So now we are wondering if we're going to get a hat trick or not. I mean, third time's the charm, you know? So here we are, sitting in Tabo, trying to figure out how to spend time, because apparently flat tires are in these days. So we're just going to have some lunch and hope we spent like 4 hours just having a bowl of Maggie, but probably not going to happen.
So guys, this is where the landslide has happened, and they have managed to clear it a lot, but I think we'll still be here for some time. Lot of bikers also waiting, so I think another 15-20 minutes, maybe an hour maximum, things should be better.